The new Bobcat 265X engine-driven welder, the legend redefined to dominate the job site. It has expanded capabilities to take on heavy-duty and critical repair jobs. The durable digital interface makes operation faster and uncomplicated. AutoSet technology makes weld parameter setup fast, easy and accurate for welders of all skill levels to work more efficiently. Bobcats are now designed so that you always have full auxiliary power while providing no arc interference for superior weld quality and no power spikes. Offering big power in a smaller package, it's over 50 kilograms lighter and 13% smaller than previous models. It delivers more of the data visibility you need with predictive maintenance information to plan necessary service time and productivity screens to monitor machine usage. It lowers fuel costs and reduces noise on the job site because welders can use remote start-stop to shut off the engine to reduce idling time. With two 240-volt receptacles, it allows seamless connection to other power tools without the need for an adapter. ArcReach technology delivers more arc on time, a safer job site and improvements to your bottom line by not walking back to the machine to make parameter changes. The Bobcat 265X engine-driven welder, the legendary performance you expect redefined.